California Lease Termination Letter for rental properties. Terminating a lease in California involves complying with termination clauses, according to state law, to avoid legal issues. The notice period for a lease termination letter depends on factors such as the duration of the tenancy. Generally, a 30-day notice applies for rental agreements of less than 1 year, while a 60-day notice is required for agreements lasting longer. California has specific rules for ending leases, including both at-fault, just cause, and no-fault, just cause scenarios. Landlords must serve the termination notice in person, through an authorized person, or via certified mail. Failure to provide written notice can result in legal consequences. Terminating a tenancy with a fixed term requires adherence to the terms of the lease agreement. Writing a legally compliant lease termination letter involves including essential details such as the parties' names, termination date, property address, reason for termination if applicable, landlord signature, and method of notice of delivery. Templates and e-signature tools can simplify the process. Understanding the rules and rights associated with lease termination in California is crucial for landlords and tenants alike.